You must have shopped from platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. at least once. Have you ever wondered how they are able to manage one-day deliveries? How do they manage to address the order of millions and billions of customers on a daily basis? Or how do they effectively manage their inventory to track orders and ensure the successful delivery to the end users? Well, the answer lies in supply chain management. It involves handling of goods and services throughout the production process, right from gathering raw materials, making and delivering, which involves optimizing efficiency, reducing cost and enhancing customer satisfaction. And the one who is responsible for managing and overseeing this entire process will be a supply chain manager or a supply chain management professional. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a supply chain manager lies between 14 to 18 lakh rupees in India. However, after gaining an experience of 5 to 8 years, the average salary could easily go above 40 lakhs per annum because as the experience goes, so does the earning potential. Talking about the jobs in supply chain management, we have a massive opening of 18,000 plus jobs in India and around 1,45,000 plus jobs in USA. So you yourself can see why supply chain management is considered as one of the rising business domains across the globe. If you're a business graduate and want to become a supply chain manager, you're watching a right video. This video is a complete roadmap from a beginner's point of view consisting of all the requirements to become a supply chain manager. This is a roadmap to become a supply chain manager that I'm going to propose in this video. It has been designed by doing a lot of analysis about what exactly is demanded out of supply chain professional in the industry. So let me get started with the first pointer in my hand, that is obtain a relevant degree. So what I mean by that is you need to have a relevant degree behind your back with specialization or a major directed around the domain of supply chain management. A report says that about 85% of supply chain professional holds a bachelor's degree in business studies. Master's degree is not mandatory but of course adds enhanced career advancement opportunities with an 18% increase in salary as compared to holding only a bachelor's degree. Talking about the syllabus, your program must include, if you want to make career in supply chain, strategic supply chain management, inventory management, strategic sourcing and procurement, transportation, networking and sourcing, coordination in a supply chain. Learn modern supply chain management practices. In this technological era, modern supply chain management practices focuses on leveraging technology to enhance efficiency, visibility and collaboration. Generative AI in the market, all the manual work of planning, sourcing, making or moving is now possible in minutes. Suppose there is a retail clothing store which is preparing its stock for winter sale. So there is a need to make a proper plan and scheduling by considering the factors such as customer demand, resource, availability and priorities. Here generative AI will help in planning by suggesting several courses of action on how to make things go right. It will further help in demand forecasting and risk management by analyzing previous trends, market condition, weather patterns and geopolitical trends and making prediction on what amount of stocks are required for coming winter and thereby maximizing the sale. So how is generative AI used in logistics? Generative AI will suggest picking routes within its warehouse to retailer, minimizing the fuel cost and prioritizing fast delivery. So as you have seen the importance of generative AI in modern supply chain management, start learning about generative AI and how you can optimally use it within supply chain management. Do industry grade project. Industry grade project provide practical experience by applying all the theoretical knowledge you received following the curriculum, which eventually bridges the gap between academic and industry. So here are top 5 industry grade projects which you can work upon, which will help you gain real-time knowledge. Inventory management optimization. It involves the use of strategies, tools and techniques to ensure that a company maintains the right amount of inventory at the right time to meet customer demand while minimizing cost and maximizing efficiency. Demand forecasting and planning. Demand forecasting is essential for predicting future demand by solving critical problems in graded projects by optimizing inventory, enhancing resource allocation, improving financial planning, adapting to market changes and facilitating strategic decision making. Warehouse layout design. Effective warehouse layout design solves critical problems related to operational efficiency, space utilization, inventory management, safety and flexibility. Supplier performance evaluation. Evaluating supplier performance gives organization useful information for making strategic decisions. This data helps assess how reliable suppliers are, check if they follow contract, and decide on future partnership. Transportation route optimization. Transportation route optimization solves critical challenges related to cost, delivery, speed, resource utilization, operational efficiency, real-time adaptability, and visibility. By implementing effective route optimization strategies, business can significantly enhance their logistic operation and customer service. Build skill to become a good supply chain manager. You really need to have a good grasp on both technical and interpersonal skill. Technical skills, which includes project management, risk management, and cost accounting. Interpersonal skills include all the skill you acquired throughout your schooling and college via debates, public speaking, job fair, and group discussion, which helped you in developing your overall personality. Build a professional network. Connecting with industry experts through networking, events, seminars, and online platforms like LinkedIn can significantly help you and may lead to job opportunities and referrals. Build your connection by participating in college clubs such as supply chain management groups, start attending network events, and make the most of career fairs, as these are the excellent opportunities to meet recruiters and industry experts. Leverage your alumni network by reaching out to graduates from your college who work in supply chain role to gain insights and mentorship. Finally, join online forums on LinkedIn dedicated to supply chain management, which offer great opportunities to connect with professionals in the field. Build resume. As you all know, a resume is the very first thing a company looks into after you have applied for the job. So try to create a compelling resume highlighting specific skills such as logistic management, procurement, inventory control, and data analysis, and try to show your passion in supply chain domain. Certification and internship. You all know that certification acts as an extra credit to your resume. So try obtaining certifications such as Supply Chain Management Analytics course or Certified Professional in Supply Chain. As soon as you're done with all the certification and acquiring all the essential skills, start applying for internship to gain hands-on experience. To your surprise, major companies like Amazon, Deloitte, Apple, and others have mass opening for supply chain manager position. You can easily find these job posting on platforms like Glassdoor and LinkedIn. So what are you waiting for? If you have already gained the necessary theoretical knowledge, go ahead and apply for internships. Interview preparation. Okay, so the interview is the most crucial part where all your knowledge will be tested. By thoroughly preparing and showing the skills and experience you gained through internship and all the industry graded projects which you made, you can stand out as the best candidate and land your job. One most important tip, guys, make sure to show your technical skills and discuss your approach to supply chain challenges and practice common questions by giving mock interviews. So who is stopping you from achieving your dream position? Go ahead and start your career in supply chain management, and make sure to hit both like and subscribe button for Intellipaat's YouTube channel. Thank you.